Right, good morning, welcome back. Today we're going to make something really simple, seem really complicated, while I do some eyeballing. Right, now you might have seen people put a load of soapy water on the surface, on the back of the decal, put it on, it allows you to slide it around, get it into shape, have a look on both sides, judge it, then squeegee it out and dry it out. Now that's not the way to do it. What you need is a load of really expensive line tape. What you need to do is guess where it goes, and then have a look. What you need is a big ugly scraper just to make sure you've got no air gaps in it for some apparent reason. Next, the important bit to make sure that everyone can see you're eyeballing it is to make sure that it looks right from the front. Perfect. Right, then once you've got your sticker on, make sure it's nice and firmly done. If you don't have a hot air blower like these ones in the garage, all you need to do is steal your wife's hairdryer, because it's exactly the same. Mine won't let me borrow hers, so I've had to use a proper one. Now for some reason you also need one of those heat detecting gun things, so then once you've got it, make sure, I'm pointing out the blatantly obvious here, that you don't just try and rip it off like a plaster, because we'll all be tempted to do that, because that's never going to stretch the sticker underneath, is it? What you need to do is bend it all off in a nice simple angle, and there you go, your decal is there, ready for the world to see. Don't worry all, no damage on the bike. I would never do anything that Dale shows you how to do on a bike, and I suggest you don't either. Yeah, just a bit of a cock around before I have to get rid of this beard, after my wife pointed out, which really upset me last night. When I was out walking the dog with a hat on, she went, I've just noticed something, with that beard and that hat, you look like that bell end. I think I might go and shave. Cheers all, normal service resuming very shortly.